Safety. It's something we all care about. After all, we all want to feel safe and protected throughout our lives. And it's not just caring about ourselves, we want everyone around us to feel safe too. Because it's a nice feeling when someone is always there for you whenever you need them. At Honda, we understand this feeling. That's why our cars not only keep you safe, they make you feel safe. It's knowing your Honda is looking after you with its advanced safety technology designed to predict, prevent, and protect. Take on next-generation airbags. They are a major step forward in driving safety, significantly improving passenger protection in the event of a crash. They intelligently wrap around the front of your head, limiting side-to-side movement for added protection against head or neck injuries. With Honda, you're in safe hands.